Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. Disappointed with India abstaining UN vote on Russia, US Congressman Brian Fitzpatrick from Pennsylvania. Heat wave continues in Rajasthan. Jalore sizzles at 45.2 degrees. Madhya Pradesh government is planning to teach Bhagavad Gita in colleges. Punjab government to frame new sand mining policy, Chief Minister said. We stand ready to continue to help Sri Lanka, India. India has extended assistance of about USD 2.5 billion in the past 3 months to Sri Lanka. Stopped at immigration again, ex-Amnesty India chief after court relief. And now some international news. Send weapons before it's too late. Ukraine to NATO. US Congressional Committee passed bill to remove green card cap. US ended normal trade ties with Russia over Ukraine invasion. US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi test COVID positive. The dismissal of the no confidence motion against Prime Minister Imran Khan was unconstitutional, the Pakistan Supreme Court said yesterday. And now some sports news. IPL 2022, Lucknow Super Giants beat Delhi Capitals by 6 wickets in their Indian Premier League match on Thursday. Dean Elgar defended South Africa against sledging allegations. Tiger Woods launched his improbable quest for a record equaling 6 Masters title on Thursday. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.